Hey guys, Andrew with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2014 Ram we just built for a customer. So he originally brought this truck to us on a flatbed. He had a 6-inch lift on the truck and he was running it hard off-road, and the coil spring actually dropped out of the front of the truck. So clearly he needed something a little bit better, something that was up to the task of his heavy use case, off-roading, wheeling, and running the truck hard. So we set him up with a fully optioned Carli Suspension Pintop 2.5 system. This system is a great option for someone that's trying to balance on-road and off-road ride. So let's dig into this truck a little farther. This truck is a coil sprung front and rear, so it has Carli's multi-rate coils. These improve the ride of the truck dramatically and offer a better all-around performance for small bump compliance and big hits as well. This customer also opted to upgrade to the Carli fabricated radius arms. Aside from looks, these arms actually do improve performance of the truck. The joints are much higher quality, they're a Johnny joint style, and they allow the front end to move and flex independently, side to side, much better than the factory arms do. They also have improved tire clearance if you're running 37s like he is. These shocks are a 2.5-inch king shock, custom tuned by Carli for this truck, for this platform, and for this year. They put a lot of time into these shocks to make sure that they ride the best that they possibly can, and this truck seriously balances an amazing ride on and off-road. This is one of the smoothest, softest rides you will get out of these trucks. Complementing that is also the Carli Suspension torsion sway bar up front. It allows independent flex of the truck, so whether you are off-road rock crawling or you're going in and out of a gas station parking lot, that side-to-side rock that throws you into the truck and hits your head on the window is long gone with this. It's an amazing upgrade and absolutely worth the extra expense. Out back, this truck also gets a track bar drop and sway bar drops from Carli Suspension, as well as new multi-rate coils in the rear and the King 2.5-inch shocks. This customer opted also to go with a little bit different wheel. We've had a bunch of customers go with Innovates before, but most of them choose the simulated or beadlock options. This customer chose to go with the smooth lip finish, so there is no beadlock ring or no simulated beadlock ring. It's a really nice, clean look, really simple. If you're into that kind of thing, it really shows off the lines on the wheel as well. He also opted for a gold anodized finish. So again, just those machine lines are really beautifully visible. It's a gorgeous wheel. He also went with a 37-inch Toyo MT tire. So that's going to be a great tire for off-road, awesome traction, but also balances with low noise and good on-road handling. To fix the truck's steering issues up front, this customer opted to upgrade to Dynatrac ball joints. His factory ball joints were worn out and tired from off-road use and pushing around 37-inch tires. So these Dynatrac should be a great option to have improved longevity. We've had great luck with these in a lot of customer trucks. He also went with a Carli steering stabilizer as well. That should help control the movement of the 37s and tucks up nicely behind the steering linkage and out of harm's way. Because this customer is going to be using this truck hard, we also installed a weld-on Thuren axle truss in the front. These axles are a known weak point on these trucks, especially when you jump them or bottom them out really hard on G-outs and stuff. So now this customer has nothing to worry about. He can run this truck as hard as he wants and have no issues. So overall, I think we're pretty happy with this build. I think the customer is going to be even happier. This is a truck that can run and still look good, pull up to a nice restaurant. He'll have a great all-around balanced ride on and off-road, and it'll be a massive, massive improvement from the lift that he had on here before. So if you're looking to get your truck set up, if you're looking to improve your suspension ride, give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment on this YouTube video below. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions and get your truck riding a lot better. Thanks so much. See you guys out on the road.